Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So, Terra Luna, how high can it go? So, we had one of the supporters, guys, on the channel ask this, and we're going to go ahead and share it with you guys, my opinion, and why I believe Terra Luna could possibly go, guys. So, let's go ahead and look at it. For the ones that's new to the channel, know that, we're not hoping and believing and putting all our hope into Terra Luna. Terra Luna is simply a play that we're capitalizing off of because we sat back, we didn't get involved in it when everybody was hyped up, getting in all these shit coins and thinking they're going to be the next Bitcoin. We never been in the mix of all the run up to $100, $50, or whatever the case may be. What I'm saying, 40, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, all the way up to 100 plus. We was nowhere involved. So we was able to see and sit back and watch it collapse all the way down to the floor the way it did and nibble our way in. Now all of a sudden, after months and months, well not months, within probably a couple months of no traction for Terra Luna after crashing like that, now it's starting to pick up steam. And people is wondering now, how high could this thing possibly go, guys? So let's go ahead and take a look at it, share my opinion on where I be getting out at and how I will be maneuvering with this play. So as you can see, we up 27%. On our last video, we was up 22%, I believe, and we done went as high as 33%, guys, on the day. So Terra Luna is definitely just teasing right now. The amount of returns that you could get on this play, guys, if you could get in it, because it's a lot of people, excuse me, in certain areas around the U.S. and probably out of the country that can't even get involved and capitalize off the opportunity that's about to take place. And it'd be like that for a lot of cryptos that come about. Like Shibrum, however you pronounce it, is about to come. A lot of people isn't going to be able to get involved in that play, and it's probably going to be a lot of money to be made as well. That's not to never overhype things and over, exaggerate or none of that, because that's not what we're here to do at all. We just like to be, if we could be first to a new asset, we definitely want to be the first ones there. We're not putting too much money in to where we need this to fall through for us. The main plan is to always put bare minimum what you can afford to lose that you can even forget is there. And whenever you're the first one there and can accumulate so many tokens, if it just move, you know, it can move so quickly and easily, thousands of percentages. So that could easily turn a very small investment to a whole lot of money. Remember, just $2 in Sheeb would have made you a millionaire. $2. So that's how small you can play with crypto, guys. Don't be thinking you got to put all your money in. Then when you lose it, you crying. So it's not that type of party. Just like the stock market, you want to play small, but in crypto, you want to play even smaller. So learn that. So anyways, like I believe Terra Luna is just getting started. 27% a day, man. This is just, people probably be hyped, excited about this, but this ain't nothing to what's about to come. I believe that's not to hype it up, now, guys. I'm just saying because this thing has got crushed, and I don't think it's about to go back nowhere near 100 where it came from. It's just how much money that can be made, just the smallest piece of the move along the way there, just towards a penny. People was going to make insane amount of money just back to a penny. And imagine if it could have some, you know, crazy little spike and not even get nowhere near 100 now, just get back to 10 cents. So that's when the real money is going to be made. And a lot of people will be missing out on the opportunity if it was to do so, being for the fact that they in certain areas. So if you able to capitalize, play it smart, I would aim small, miss small, put bare minimum on this play because it's definitely sketchy. It's definitely, like I say, it was some insider information going on whenever Terra Luna was roll pulled. The big dogs left with everybody's money. So, and they definitely is buying back in now to make even more money off the same people and then dip again. You get what I'm saying? Because this is not going to come back and hold and sustain itself, not to the levels that it once were. And if it does, it will be years and years from now, whenever crypto has skyrocketed, Bitcoin specifically, and it has no other choice but to pull certain shit coins that has a strong community behind it up along with it, guys. So you already know, I believe personally this will probably come down a bit before it shoots up, because it's going to try and shake some people out. A lot of people is going to start to want to get FOMO and try to get in this before this bad boy really goes. But I could see this possibly. We at 7.4 now. Let me let me take a look at this real quick, guys. If we could break above 4 zeros, 81, 81, we could get a nice little boost. And our main goal where Terra Luna needed to crack is, once we leave buzz 4 zeros 8 1, we need to we'll lose a zero to the upside, show 3 zeros, and we need to hit 3 zeros 1 0. We break above that, Terra Luna can really start to pick up some traction, guys. So you definitely want to be on alert for this. Make sure you getting what you could get, because this bad boy, once it go up and show 3 zeros instead of 4, things is going to get interesting, guys. A lot of people is going to be trying to load up for a nice little bounce, a nice little jump, because this thing get back to 3 zeros, then it get back to 2, and then it get back to a penny. People is really going to be like, oh man, they gonna be thinking about $1. And you definitely don't. I mean, you could, hold some, but don't try to be too greedy, guys, because there's going to be a lot of money to be made if it goes in the direction that we're hoping for, in the direction I'm believing it will. Because Bitcoin is due for a major spike to the upside, and best believe whenever Terra Luna spike, if Bitcoin make this big move that I'm projecting, it's not going to hold Bitcoin nor Terra Luna. It's going to come right back down. And then whenever Bitcoin make its real reversal and start going back off to revisit all-time highs and hit 100,000 and all that good stuff, that's when Terra Luna would then make a real reversal as well, and it will get back to even higher levels and then come back down, guys. Because Terra Luna, from here, I do believe it's just be a lot of volatility. Some crazy spikes will come here and there, and it'll just play out like that. Eventually, probably die off. So, after something like that happen, guys, it's going to be tough ever coming back and really holding weight in this crypto space after having real true holders of your coin after pulling a move like that. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add you on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.